I would like to demonstrate using a virtual desktop connecting to a smartboard with a classroom application. As you can see, we have our sign-in right here, login. I'm going to go to computer, log in, and show you how it connects. It's going to connect to a virtual machine. And as you can see, the smartboard light just went on green, indicating that it is connected. You can launch just like a regular smartboard setting on a regular desktop. If using VMware View5 client, and it's running on a Dell repurposed desktop, and it's attached to a smartboard 600, and I'll give a demonstration. Say you want to graph an equation. We can open Texas Instruments Smart View. We can look at the table of values, entering in the equation, and go to table of values. Using the table of values, we can demonstrate to the students how to plot the points. So after we plot the points on the graph paper, showing the students how to draw a smooth curve. We can even reinforce this by looking at the graph itself and comparing. Now, it's not just for math. We can do other things like science class. I have a Netflix account, and if I click this shortcut, it will open up Netflix, and it will go right to the video. It even picks up where I left off.
Degree almost temperature spread, and so they wanted to see what the effect was on those parts.
But first, they had to find that crater. As a grain of glass inside the rock, he found it contained gas. And to his amazement, it was an exact match with the gas sampled by the Viking landers.
As you can see, the video quality is exceptional.
I think that probably no one had anticipated that you would get direct evidence for that process in such an unlikely way as going into a small piece of glass in one of his meteorites and showing that a bit of the Martian atmosphere was actually trapped in it. So I think that...
So the applications of using video is pretty strong. I want to pull up a YouTube clip. Let's say you have a class, you're talking about social studies, you want to talk about current events. Someone wants to discuss, a teacher wants to discuss Occupy Wall Street, and you can link right to a website, right to YouTube.
Occupy Wall Street, day 6. There are still several hundred on the street.
This is a decent quality YouTube clip, and you see the quality as it
by
comes
those
in.
who presumably support them, by those who will poke.
The drop, and as Mayor Bloomberg said last week, he said there's going to be riots in the street.
So as you can see, it works quite well.